Good day, everyone. Welcome to our Week 4 Mathematics 6 lesson, which is about representing quantities and solving problems. Learning task number 3. Translate each problem into a mathematical equation, then solve. Number 1. I am 24 years old. My age is 2, less than twice my sister's age. Well, in this problem, we will let S be equal to sister's age. Okay? And then, from the given problem, iti-translate natin ito into mathematical equation. At pagkatapos, saka natin siya isusolve. If you are ready, umpisahan na natin. According to the statement, I am 24 years old. Okay? My age, so what is her age or his age? 24. So I am 24 years old. My age, so that is 24. Tama? So my age is equals 2 less than twice my sister's age. So a while ago, we let S be equivalent to sister's age. So how can we translate 2 less than twice? So pag sinabing 2 less than twice, that is 2, okay, less than twice of what? My sister's age. So our equation then is 24 equals 2s minus 2. Okay? Now, if you look at this equation, pag tinignan niyo yung right-hand side, meron tayong constant na negative 2. So, ang target natin ay to eliminate that constant negative 2 dito sa right-hand side. So, tingnan natin. Copy 24. Okay? Copy 24. And then, lagyan natin ng space for a while. Okay? And then, equals what? 2s minus 2. Ano nga ang opposite ng negative 2? That is positive 2. Ibig sabihin, i-apply natin yung addition property of equality. So, on the other side, meron din dapat na plus 2. Okay? Now, continue solving. 24 plus 2, the answer is 26. Okay? Equals 2s. And then negative 2 plus 2, cancel. Okay? Now, 26 equals 2s. To solve for s, apply division property of equality. So, i-divide naman natin ito by 2. Then, by 2. So that we can cancel this numerical coefficient 2. What is 26 divided by 2? The answer is 13 equals S. Meaning to say, ang age ng aking sister ay 13 years old. Okay? So ang age ng sister ay 13 years old. Bakit? Kasi nga, sabi doon sa problem, if I am 24 years old, my age is 2 less than twice. Ano ba ang twice of 13? So that is 26. Tama? And 26 minus 2 is 24. So nasatisfy natin yung given problem na my age is 24, which of course 2 less than twice of 13. And the answer in this problem is what? 13 years old. Okay? Problem number 2. Arvin has a bake shop. He sold 85 cakes today. That is 16 cakes fewer than yesterday. How many cakes did he sell yesterday? So, since we are talking of cakes and a number of cakes, edi gawin natin let's see equals number of cakes that Arvin sold yesterday. So, i-analyze natin yung given problem. Arvin has a bake shop. Walang problema doon. Meron lang siyang bake shop. Then he sold 85 cakes today. So merong 85 cakes na naibenta ngayong araw na ito. So gawa natin 85 cakes today. Now, kinumpare itong 85 cakes today dun sa benta kahapon. And according to the statement, that is, ano bang tinutukoy ditong that is? So itong that is, ang tinutukoy nito ay yung 85 cakes today. Tama? So yung that is, ito yung 85 cakes today. So 85 is what? According to the problem, 16 fewer than yesterday. So kapag sinabing 16 fewer than yesterday, mas mababa ng 16. Meaning to say, kung siya ay 16 fewer, ay di, kung halimbawa ang benta ngayon ay 85, tapos halimbawa nagkataon na ang benta kahapon ay parehas na 85 Pero hindi kasi sabi sa problem, it is 16 cakes fewer than yesterday. Kaya naman instead of simply it's letter C, right? Kasi we let C nga pala, okay? So that is C. Now, hindi po pwedeng silang kasi that is, 85 is 16 fewer than yesterday. So, kung pareha sila, ay di dapat ito merong minus 16. Kasi nga, 16 fewer. Okay? So, how many cakes did he sell yesterday? Now, this is our equation, which is 85 equals C minus 16. Paano nga nangyari? 85, ito yung benta niya ngayong araw na to. Kung halimbawang pareho ang benta niya ngayon at kahapon, 85 equals C. Pero hindi ganun ang statement. Dahil ang sabi doon, that is, 85 is 16 fewer than yesterday, which we do not know. Diba? So with this, ano ngayon ang ating gagawin? If you look at the right-hand side, meron kang constant term na negative 16. Diba? And to remove this negative 16 on this side, the opposite is positive 16. So, ang in-apply natin ay addition, property of equality. So, on the other side, syempre, meron ka rin dapat na plus 16. Tama? Kasi nag-plus 16 ka sa kanan, dapat sa kaliwa may plus 16 ka rin. So, kopya natin yung 85. Okay? Now, what is 85 plus 16? So kapag kinompute natin yung 85 plus 16, the answer is what? 101. Okay? Equals what? So cancel natin yung negative 16 and 16. So that is our C. Ibig sabihin, ang benta natin kahapon, okay, kasi yun ang tinatanong, how many cakes did he sell yesterday, ay 101 cakes. Okay? 101 cakes kailan? Yesterday. So, kasi nga, sabi doon sa problem, ang 85 daw ay 16 fewer than yesterday. 85 ngayon, kahapon, 101. So, this is it. Problem number 3. And have 56 stamps that are 6 less than 1/2 of my stamps. How many stamps do I have? So since we are talking of number of stamps, the let S being what? The number of my stamps. Sabi sa problem, Anne has what? 56 stamps. Okay? So kung meron siyang 56 stamps, so ito yun. Okay? Ito yung kay Anne. Na kung saan kinumpare sa number of my stamps na hindi mo alam. Kasi yun ang tinatanong. So, pero kung i-analyze natin yung problem, 56 stamps that are 6 less than. So, 56 dito ay equal to what? Sabi ay 6 less than. So, when you say 6 less than, ay di 6 less than. Okay? Ganun ang pagkakasulat, di ba? Pabalik kapag ang ginamit na phrase ay less than. So, 6 less than what? 1/2. Okay, 1/2 of my stumps. Okay? So our equation therefore ay 56 equals 1/2 S minus 6. Now, to solve the equation, if you notice dito sa right-hand side, merong constant term na negative 6. So, ibig sabihin, ano ang opposite ng negative 6? Ay di copy 1/2 S. Tapos, minus 6. So, happen that the opposite is positive 6. So, sa kabila, anong gagawin natin? Ay di 56 plus 6. So, ano ang ating ini-apply dito? Well, syempre pa, addition property of equality. Okay? Continue working. What is 56 plus 6? So, kapag kinompute ang 56 plus 6, the answer is 62. Okay? Equals what? Ay, di kopyahin natin. 1/2 S. Okay? Then, minus 6 plus 6 cancel. Okay? Then, our new equation ay 62 equals 1/2 S. If you look at the numerical coefficient of S, fraction, di ba? And to remove this numerical coefficient, this time, ang i-apply naman natin ay multiplication property of equality. So, ano ngayon ang reciprocal ng 1/2? So, that is 2 over 1. So, sa kabila ay 2 over 1. So, time to cancel 2, cancel 1. Ano ang natira sa ating right-hand side? Siyempre pa yung S, which is the number of my stumps. And since 1 lang naman yung denominator sa kaliwa, so walang problema. Simply multiply 2 and 62. So, what is 2 times 62? Of course, the answer is 124. Okay? And 124 over 1, okay, over 1, di ba? Kasi nagkataon, may 1 sa ilalim, is simply 124. Ibig sabihin, ito yung number of my stumps. So, i-analyze nga ulit natin yung problem. Sabi doon, Anne have 56 stumps. Diba? Si Anne ay may 56 stumps. Na kung saan, ito ay 6 less than 1/2 of my stumps. So, ano ba ang 1/2 nung 124? Siyempre pa, that is 62. And 62 minus 6, the answer is 56. So, nasatisfy natin yung number ng stumps na meron si Anne, which is 56, na kung saan ay 6 less than sa kalahati ng aking stumps. Gets? Gets. Problem number 4. This month, Cheese earned only 3/4 of his earning last month. If his earning last month is 12,600 pesos, how much did he earn this month? So since we are talking of earnings, let E be equal to the amount earned this month. So paano natin ngayon ito gagawan ng equation? In the problem, sabi doon ay 3/4 of Cheese earning last month ay yun ang earning niya this month. Tama? So, isulat natin. Eh di, ang sabi dito ay kung 3/4 daw. 3/4 of what? His earning last month. So, happy that his earning last month is 12,600. So, times, okay, times, ito na rin ang gamitin natin, yung solidat, 12,600. Okay? Is what? Cheese earnings, or cheese earning this month. Okay? So, what is 3/4 of 12,600? Well, you can divide 12,600 by 4 exactly. So, kapag kinancel natin itong 4 at saka itong 12,600, magkakaroon ka ng 3,150. Okay? And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So your new problem now is 3 times 3,150. So what is 3,150 times 3? Well, if you are going to get the product of this, ay 3 times 0 ay 0. Okay? 3 times 5 ay 15. Carry 1. Tama? And 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. And 3 times 3 is 9. So it is 9,450. Ito yung earning ni Cheese this month. So again, magkano nga ang earning ni Cheese this month? It is only 9,450. Okay? 950 pesos this month. Okay? Bakit? Kasi sabi nga, ang earning lang daw niya ay 3/4 of his earning last month. Siyempre, mas mababa doon sa 12,600. And 3/4 of 12,600 is only 9,450 pesos. So, eto ngayon, ang sagot dito sa ating problem number 4. Problem number 5. In Baguio City, a horse ride costs 120 pesos per person for the first 30 minutes and 50 pesos for every additional 10 minutes. If you spent 270 pesos for a horse ride, for how long did you ride? So, ang tinatanong dito ay number of minutes. Gaano ka katagal na nag-ride? Kung meron kang bayarin na 120 pesos sa loob ng 30 minutes, yung first 30 minutes, tapos additional 50 pesos for every 10 minutes, na kung saan ang ibinayaran mo daw ay 270 pesos. So, paano natin ito gagawan ng equation? So, let M be equal to the number of minutes spent. So, lagay natin yung M. Okay? So, M. Okay? Now, after M, ano ang kasamahan ni M? So, dahil itong M ay total number of minutes spent, nung ikaw ay mag-horse ride, edi babawasan natin ito ng 30 minutes. Okay, bakit natin ito binawasan ng 30 minutes? Kasi sigurado na nakonsumo mo yung 30 minutes from the total number of minutes na M, nakonsumo mo na yung 30 minutes. Tama? Okay? Kaya M minus 30. Okay? Klaro yun, ha? Now, ano ang kasunod? Ang sabi dito, there's an additional 50 pesos for every 10 minutes. So, nangangahulugan na 50 pesos divided by 10 ay di 5 pesos per minute. Lumalabas na 5 pesos per minute. So if that is our case, itong number of minutes na to, yung M minus 30, imumultiply natin sa 5 pesos. Okay? Para na sa ganun, makompute natin mamaya. At syempre pa, dahil siguradong nagbayad ka na ng 120 pesos. Oh, by the way, ito yung magiging computation dun sa additional number of minutes natin. Tapos, sabi natin, sure ka na ikaw ay nag-ride ng 30 minutes, di ba? Na kung saan ay nagbayad ka na. Nagbayad ka ng 120 pesos. Nasa kabuuan, ito, yung additional minutes plus itong sure na 30 minutes, ay nakakonsumo ka ng halagang 270 pesos. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ito ngayon ang ating equation. 5 times the quantity m minus 30 plus 120 is equal to 270. So, paano natin ito i-compute? If you look at the left-hand side, meron kang positive 120. So, ito na muna ang tanggalin natin. Positive 120. So, paano? Copy 5 times the quantity m minus 30. Okay? Tapos, plus 120 minus 120. Kasi yun ang opposite nung positive 120. Tama? Is equal to 270 minus 120. So, dito, ini-apply natin yung subtraction property of equality. So, makakancel yung 120 and negative 120. So, ang natira ay 5 times the quantity m minus 30. Okay? Is now equal to, so 270 minus 120. What is 270 minus 120? Of course, the answer is what? The answer is 150. Tama? Okay. Now, 5 times the quantity m minus 30 is equal to 150. So, from this equation, pwede nating i-apply yung division property of equality. So, hindi na natin i-distribute yung 5 sa m at 5 sa negative 30. Ang gagawin na lang natin, i-apply natin agad yung division property of equality. So, divide natin ang equation by 5 and then by 5. Para na sa ganun, makancel natin ito. Okay? So, ang natira na lang natin ay m minus 30. So, what is 150 divided by 5? Well, pag kinompute natin, ang sagot nito ay 30. Okay? So, m minus 30. Yan. Ang hanap na natin ngayon sa bagong equation ay to look for m. So, para na sa makakuha ang m, ay di solve natin. M minus 30. So, ano ang opposite ng negative 30? Plus 30. So, balik tayo sa addition property of equality is equal to 30 plus 30. Okay? So, na-cancel ang minus 30 plus 30. Ang natira ay m. So, what is 30 plus 30? Ibig sabihin, 60. 60 ano? Eto, 60 minutes. Ibig sabihin pala, dito sa problem na to, ikaw ay nag-ride sa loob ng 60 minutes. O sabihin na natin, ikaw ay nag-ride sa loob ng 1 oras. Okay? Tama nga kaya na ikaw ay 1 oras na nag-ride? I-check nga natin, i-analyze nga natin. Sabi natin kanina, nagbayad ka ng 270. Tama ba? So, 270 sa loob ng ilang minuto nga? 30 minutes. Tama? Ito, checking. Ito, checking na to ha. Checking lang kung tama yung 60 minutes. So, 270 pesos sa loob ng 30 minutes. Tapos, 50 pesos for every additional 10 minutes. So, kunwari, nag-add ka ng 10 minutes. Kunwari lang ha, 10 minutes. Okay? Nag-add tayo ng 10 minutes. So, magkano ang binayaran mo sa loob ng 10 minutes na additional? Ay di 50 pesos. Okay? Tapos, ay di ito ay 40 minutes pa lang. Ang target natin ay 60. Kunwari, nagdagdag ka ulit ng additional 10 minutes. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, nagbayad ka na naman ng additional na 50 pesos. Okay? Ay, sorry. Ito palang 270. Sorry. Hindi pala siya 270. Ang binayaran lang pala natin sa 30 minutes ay 120. Yun. Buti napansin ng sir. So, take note ha. Ang binayaran lang natin ng 30 minutes exactly ay 120 20 pesos. Tama? Okay. So, nagdagdag ka ulit ng 10 minutes. Okay? Ilan na to? 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50. And then lastly, another 10 minutes na pasarap ka pang mag-horse ride. So, nagbayad ka ulit ng panibagong 50 pesos. So, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60. So, meron ka ng total of 60 minutes. So, tama ba na ang binayaran mo ay 270 pesos? So, tingnan natin. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 5, 7. Plus 5, 12. Plus 5, 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, yun. Sakto. Nagbayad ka ng 270 pesos sa loob ng ilang minuto? Sa loob ng 60 minutes or isang oras. So, this is it. Ito ngayon ang tamang solution dito sa ating problem number 5. Learning task number 4. Write an equation for each problem and then solve it. Problem number 1. 4 friends share a box of pens. Each receives 3 pens. Write and solve the equation to find the number of pens in the box. Okay, we will let P being what? The number of pens in the box. Sa problem, merong 4 na magkakaibigan. Okay? Nagkataon, each receives 3 pens. Ay di ibig sabihin, times 3. Kasi lahat ay naka-receive ng tigta 3 pens. And that is equivalent to P, na kung saan yung total number of pens in the box. So what is 4 times 3? Well, the answer is 12 equals P. Ibig sabihin, merong ilang pens sa loob ng box? Merong 12 pens. Okay? So, ito ngayon ang sagot dun sa problem number 1. Tama ba? So, again, sabi doon, 4 friends share a box of pens. So, merong box of pens. Each receives 3 pens. Eh, di ibig sabihin, meron 12 pens inside the box. So, 12 pens here is correct. Problem number 2. There are 56 pupils in a class. 36 of them joined the field trip. Write an equation to find the number of pupils who did not join the field trip. So, write an equation. Eh di ibig sabihin, kung merong total of 56 pupils, okay? 56 pupils, ano? Tapos, sabi dito, 36 of them joined the field trip. Ay di, gawin na natin minus 36. Okay? Is equal to what? P. So, by the way, yung P natin dito ay number of pupils who did not join the trip. Ano? So, paano nga nangyari itong P equals 56 minus 36? Yung 56, total number. Okay? Total number of pupils in a class. Nagkataon, yung 36 daw ay nag-join. Okay? So, sa makatuwid, eto ngayon ang equation. P, being the number of pupils who did not join the trip, ay equal sa 56 minus 36. Okay? Na kapag ikinompute natin, what is 56 minus 36? So, kunwari, inalam na rin yung total number of pupils who did not join. Ay di syempre pa, meron tayong 20 pupils na kung saan ay hindi nag-join. So, ito yung did not join the trip. Okay? Pero, ano ngayon ang equation natin? Ang equation natin is simply 56 minus 36. Ito yung equation natin. Yung 56 minus 36. Ito siya, yung equation. Pero kapag ipinaalam kung ilan yung hindi sumali, ay di dapat ito. Okay? Pag hindi sumali, yun, 20 ang sagot. Okay? Ayos? Ayos. Problem number 3. A car travels at an average span of 36 kilometers per hour. Write and solve an equation to predict how many hours will it take to travel 432 kilometers if it continues at this speed. So in this problem, we will let h be the number of hours needed to reach 432 kilometers with an average rate of 36 kilometer per hour. So para magkaroon tayo ng equation, it is simply what? 36 kilometers per hour. Okay? Times what? Times h, or the number of hours needed to reach a distance of 432 kilometers. Okay? So this is our equation. 36h equals 432. And to solve the number of hours needed, the applied division property of equality. So divide the equation by 36. And to get the number of hours needed, meron tayong 432 divided by 36. So what is 432 divided by 36? I-divide nga natin. Okay. 43 by 36 is 1. So we have here 36. And then 43 minus 36. Well, so happened that the answer is 7. And then bring down 2. 72 divided by 36 is 2. And 2 times 36 is 72. So we have a difference of 0 here. So the answer is 12. Ibig sabihin, we need 12 hours to travel, or to, let's say, with an average of 36 kilometers per hour, ang kailangan natin ay 12 hours travel. Okay? 12 hours travel to reach 432 kilometers. Okay? Ayos.